Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about some determinants related to 1 by 1 and 2 by 2. Order 2 determinant. Okay. Now we will study order 3 by 3 determinant. How to calculate the 3 by 3 determinant. See one example is there. Let A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So this is 3 rows, 3 columns. Okay, 3 by 3 determinant is there. How to calculate 3 by 3 determinant? Okay, we can calculate 3 by 3 determinant, order 3 determinant in 6 ways. So along first row, along second row, along third row. These are the 3 methods. Along first column, along second column, along third column, we can calculate 3. So total we can calculate the 3 by 3 matrix determinant can be determined by using the 6 ways. Okay, and so fix any one method. Okay, I will fix row 1. So we will solve the 3 by 3 determinant. We will solve the 3 by 3 determinant of a matrix of order 3 can be determined by expressing it in terms of second order determinants. Second order determinants, how it will be? See, so now I will fix R1. Andre, according to R1, I am doing the determinant. I am calculating the determinant. How it will be? See. So you know what is row, what is column already. Okay, I will just tell what is that. See, this is first row, this is first row, this is second row, this is third. Okay, first column, second column, third column. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, that's why A11 means what? First row, first column. A12 means what? First row, second column. A13 means first row, third column. Like that. That's why it's made. Okay. See, I will fix along R1. R1 means what? Row 1. Row 1 fix ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ದರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? How to calculate the determinant along R1. See, I will tell the procedure. First, you have to fix. See, first you have to take R1 now. In R1, how many elements are there? 3 elements are there. What are they? A11, A12, A13 now. Let us take first A11. We take A11 and it should be multiplied by minus 1 whole to the power of sum of the two suffixes. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು suffixes ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Sum of the two suffixes 1 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sum of the two suffixes 1 plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 ಇದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Minus 1 whole square plus 1. So therefore A1 positive plus 1. So plus ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. If you written means not written also it should be okay. So A11 first you have to do right like this. A11 into second order determinant. It should be multiplied again by the second order element. How to write the second order element determinant? See, first you have to identify A11 identified now. That column should be eliminated. That column eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And where it is in first row no. Had eliminate that row also. Eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಇದು eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? So I eliminated these two. Okay, ಎರಡು eliminate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. What is the remaining case? In remaining case ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? Remaining case ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? See, already taken now. So A22, A23, A32, A33. Like that, we have to write in a 2 by 2 determinant. Understood or not? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? So first you have to identify A11 is in first row and first column. Okay, that row or that column should be eliminated and remaining matrix should be considered as 2 by 2 determinant. You have to multiply by this number. Okay, A11 number is ಇದನ್ನು multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇವಾಗ? Very easy. Okay, next Next number. What is the next number? A12 is there, no? A12 fix ಮಾಡಿ. A12 fix. A12 multiplied by what? Multiplied by -1 whole over what? Sum of the suffixes. Sum of the suffixes is what? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is what? 1 plus 2 is 3. -1 whole over 3 is -1. So that's why it is minus A12. Now we have to write minus A12. Okay na? Minus A12 we have to write. Okay. Next, my dear students, next what to do means you have to write multiplied by 2 by 2 determinant now. What we fixed? A12 we already fixed. A12 fix ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ? First you have to identify where it is. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Where it is? It is in first row and second column. That row and that column should be eliminated. Remaining matrix elements of the matrix should be considered in 2 by 2 determinant. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಸೊ I eliminated this row and this column. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ನ ಈ ರೋನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್? ಇದು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ A21 A23 A23 A31 A33 A31 A33 like that you have to write. My dear students, very easy. Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಹೇಳಿ? What to do next? Next another element is there. What is that? A13. A13 multiplied by what? -1 whole to the power of what? -1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3 4. -1 whole to the power of 4. So -1 whole to the power of 4 means what? It is plus 1 only. A13. So plus A13. Here why minus means 1 plus 2 is odd. So odd ಬಂದ್ರೆ minus ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Even ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ even ಬಂದ್ರೆ that is plus ಅಂತ ಆಡ್. Understood my dear students? A13 into multiplied by the 2 by 2 determinant. What is the 2 by 2? How to calculate the 2 by 2 determinant? Already told. Same procedure you have to follow. First you have to identify A13 is in which row and which column. Okay, it is in which row? It is in first row and it is in third column. You eliminate this row and this column. What is the remaining thing? This is remaining thing. This you have to write in a 2 by 2 determinant. Tell me what is that? A21 A22 A31 A32. Understood or not? Very easy. Okay. See, now we have to calculate this one. We can get the answer. So A11 into this one and this one. Okay. A22 into A33 minus A23 A32 minus this one over this one. A12 into this one. These two things minus these two things. A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Okay na? Next A13 I'll write here. A13 plus A13 into what is that? Tell me. A13 into A21 into A32 A21 into A32 minus A31 this one these two things. A31 into A32. Like that we have to simplify. Very easy. Understood? Next we can calculate along second row also. Same procedure. We can calculate along third row also. Same procedure. Number multiplied by -1 whole to the power of sum of the suffixes and 2 by 2 determinant and so on. 3 values. Total 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 values. Okay. Next along first row, second row, third row, along first column, second column, third column. How many ways we can calculate the 6 ways? ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Any one, you choose any one. Okay. Why sir all are introduced means latter ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ latter you can it will be very easy. If all are zeros means You can easily calculate, no? More zeros are there, you can easily calculate. That's why. Okay. So first you learn this one, later on we can think that also. Okay. So along this one R1, we will do the one example. Okay, related to this one. And my dear students they one doubt bರುತ್ತೆ. They are feeling one doubt. Okay, what is the doubt? So along R1 you calculated, okay. Along R2 calculated, okay. Along R3 calculated, okay. All answers are same or different? All answers must be same. It should be same. Okay. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ, if you do any row or any column, okay. For suppose along R1 you calculated a determinant, answer is 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. Along R2 ಮಾಡಿ 5 ಬಂತು. Along R3 it will be same 5 only. Understand? One example like that. Okay. We can check. So all, if you calculate any method along R1, along R2 or along R3, C1 along column 1, along column 2, along column 3, if you calculate any means, you will get the same result what we get along R1. Okay, R1 ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ will be, so in remaining case also will get the same results. Understood? So ಈ doubt ಇತ್ತು, some students are asking in previous classes, that's why I am telling. Okay, my dear students, so you do R1, otherwise R2 or R3. Okay, we will see one example, we can clear the doubts will be clear. Okay, see my dear students, how to do this one? See delta means determinant. This is one for no, already denotation, this is also denotation, is equals to 1 2 4 first row, 1 minus 1 3 0 second row, 4 1 0 third. Okay, so we can calculate this determinant by using how many methods? 6 methods you can calculate. Okay, here if we consider the third column means very easy. Why? Because 0 into anything will be very easy, no? That's why some students doing fastly with third column 0, more zeros are there. L zeros ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ column, that particular column and that particular row should be considered for the easiness. Okay, my dear students, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು R1 ಮಾಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಸಿನೆಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ column 3 ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ R1 ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲಾಂಗ್ okay, let's see. Along R1 how to do this one? Already fixed, R1 fix ಮಾಡಿ. This is the fixed R1. 1 2 4 is there. First you write 1 into 2 by 2 determinant. Okay, 1 into 2 by 2 determinant. Eliminate this row and this column. So first you have to know 1, the number 1 where it is. It is in first row and first column. That's why you eliminate first row and first column. The remaining matrix is there. The remaining element should be framed as one matrix. No, that matrix should be written as in a determinant for 2 by 2 determinant for. What are the remaining things? Eliminate this one and this one. Remaining are this one now. This one. Okay, right here. 3 0 1 0. 2 by 2. Over. Next. We'll see next. Okay, next first row second element should be considered as minus. Why? Because already told no, minus barte. Second row 1 2 no, that's why you take minus. Second one minus 2 in minus 2 is so 2 by 2 determinant. First you have to identify 2 where it is. It is in first row, second column, first row. What are the remaining elements? These two are the remaining elements framed as a 2 by 2 determinant. Minus 1 0 4 0. Minus 1 0 4 0. Okay. Next. Another element is there. Fix that element. What is that element? 4. Plus 4 where it is, the 4 is in first row and third column. You eliminate that first row and third column. The remaining elements are these things. Minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Minus 1, 3, minus 1, 3, 4, 1. Or like that. Okay, over. And now we calculate. See this one. Calculate 1 into 3 into 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, minus 0. Minus 2 into minus 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 0, 0. Plus 4 into minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, minus formula minus 4 into 3, 12. Okay. 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0 into anything 0. These two are 0. Limit 0. 4 into minus 1 minus 12. 4 into minus 13. 4 into minus 13. Okay. 4 into minus 13. What is the answer? What is the answer? Minus is there, minus 50. So this is the minus 50 is the answer. Understood or not? So how we calculated along R1, along row 1. Okay na? So if you want to do in easy way, okay, easy way ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If you want to do in a easy way, means first you have to identify which row, which column, more zeros are there. You have to calculate along that row or that column. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಏನು ಕಷ್ಟ ಏನಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ CET ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? minus 52. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 52 minus 52 ಬರೀ minus 52. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ರಬ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. I will do the determinant, same determinant along what? Along C3 ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಆ ಥರ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, C3 I have to do along C3. Fix the C3. What is the C3? Column 3. Column 3 is what? This one. See, why is considering this one? 4, 0, 0 is there, no? So it will be eliminated very easily. How it will be? See, 4 fix ಮಾಡೋಣ. 4 fix ಮಾಡೋಣ. So before 4 plus or minus before 0 plus or minus before 0 plus or minus ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್? ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಹೌ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. 3/3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 3/3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 3/3 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಈಸಿ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ A11 ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈವನ್, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್. A12 if you add 1 plus 2 means what? Odd, that's why minus. A13 even, 1 plus 3 4 even, that's why plus. A21 odd, minus. A22 2 plus 2 4 even, plus. Like plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Alternative. First plus ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ minus, plus ಮತ್ತೆ minus, plus minus. Alternative ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಯಾವ ರೋ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲಮ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಇವಾಗ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಏನಿದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. 4ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ 4 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಇದು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ -1 3 4 1 -1 3 4 1. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 means minus 0 into. No need to write determinant. Why? Because you are not writing any determinant. Why? Because 0 into anything is what? 0, no? That's why we are not writing. Okay, we can write also 0, this one 1 2 4 1 plus 0 into next last one 0, this one. Eliminate last row and last column. 1 2 minus 1 3 1 2 minus 1 3. Understood or not? These two are negligible. Why? Because 0 into anything water 0, 0 into anything water 0. You calculate this one. See, 4 into minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 4 0 1. So 0 into anything 0. That is 0. So 4 into minus 13 minus 50. What we calculated earlier? Same result. Minus 52 only calculated. Already written. Minus 52. And then we calculate along any row or any column, the answer will be same. Same. Okay na? So like that we have to eliminate. Why sir? This method we are doing means 0 no need to calculate again and again. That's why we calculate. Both methods are easy. Okay, you can adopt any method. Okay. Some students they are feeling difficulty. That's why they are doing in R1 only. This is also good. Okay, follow R1 only. Those are feeling difficulty, fix one row. Do that one only. It will be very easy. Okay, it will take difference of timings minimum 30 seconds. That's it. No problem for that one. Okay, that's why we fix R1. Along R1 you do all students. Okay, it will be more. So my dear students, do this one as a homework. 3 minus 1 minus 2, 0 0 minus 1, 3 minus 5 0. Do this one as a homework. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment in the below video. And my dear students, if you like this video, means please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.